Hello all, today is the last in the series of questions I have been posting for Canadian Open Mathematical Challenge. The exam is just 1 week away. I hope that all the questions that I have covered over the last 1 month have helped you prepare for this exam. To finally close off this playlist, I have a very tricky question for you. This looks very difficult, but there's a trick involved in it. The reason I'm choosing such a tricky question for the last day is that's what competition math is all about. It's not about solving lengthy equations. It's not about doing a lot of math. It's about finding the trick, being very smart, and coming up with a solution in a short period of time. So what do we have here today? The question says the factorial of any number n is denoted by n exclamation mark. For example, you say 2 exclamation mark means 1 into 2. 3 exclamation mark is 1 times 2 times 3. 4 exclamation mark is 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. The question is, what is the units digit of 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial plus 6 factorial all the way till 2024 factorial. This looks like a huge computation, but if you think clearly or if you think close, there is a very smart trick involved in it. The answer is hiding in plain sight. So I'll give you 5 minutes to solve this question and come back and check with the solution I'm providing. Thank you. Hope you have worked out this on your own and have come back. So be ready to be surprised, because this question is not as difficult as you're imagining. It's very, very simple. Let's try to understand what's happening here. So when we say 2 factorial, it is 1 times 2, which is 2. 3 factorial is 1 times 2 times 3, which is 6. 4 factorial is 1 times 2 times 3 times 4, which is 24. The fun starts after 5 factorial. If I say 5 factorial, that will be equal to 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. If you look at this entire multiplication, you can see that there is a 2 and there is a 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. So I can write this as 1 times 3 times 4 times 10. Next, if I write 6, it is similar. 6 factorial, I can write it as 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6. If I separate 2 times 5, I can write this as 1 times 3 times 4 times 6 times 10. Again 10. So this pattern keeps repeating. You look at the logic here. Any number, if we multiply by 10, the last digit, which is units digit, will always be 0. Since 2 times 5 will be there in every digit or every factorial starting from 5 to 2024. Meaning, factorial of any number greater than 4, if I take 2 times 2, 3, 4 and anything above that, the factorial of any number above 4 will always have unit digit 0. So the conclusion here is units digit of this entire summation will be equal to units digit of summation of 2 factorial, 3 factorial and 4 factorial. And that in turn equals to summation of unit digits of summation of 2, 6 and 24. 2 comes in place of 2 factorial, 6 comes in place of 3 factorial, 24 comes in place of 4 factorial. That will be equal to the entire summation, units digit of the entire summation of 2, 6 and 24, which is 30. That will be equal to 2. So the units digit of entire summation that is given here is equal to 2. So as you can see that this looks very daunting to start with, but if you understand the pattern of multiplication involved in that, we can clearly see that anything greater than 5 has units digit 0. So the result is only impacted by units digit of 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial. Hope you have enjoyed this question, and if you like more questions like this, please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.